Day 92. If you're working with multiple agents simultaneously or in the background, you need a review inbox. So I've talked a lot about the review UX for PailFlow, and basically when PailFlow gets to certain stages, it generates a review link so you can look at some of the pieces, which since it is more so for people who are in this world of like client delivery and client services, can sometimes be a little nicer than looking at a Git diff. One thing that I've noticed as I've started to run PailFlow through even more of my own workflows is when you've got multiple running in parallel, then while it's nice to get like a one-off review link, it's a little bit overwhelming because you might go have a couple agents running on something and then we'll need to review a stack of work. And so I've added to PailFlow a review inbox. And this is basically what it looks like. It's just a list of all of the reviews that PailFlow, that some agents have generated. When you open it, it directs directly to the review screen that I've been showing in various iterations on this channel. So I've been running it a lot recently, especially today. I find it is nice to kind of see everything that requires my approval and deep review before rerunning and kind of progressing some of these artifacts. And I'm looking forward to expanding this further. So if you have a sort of, would love to know like what tools people use to review the outputs of multiple agents. For code and engineering, all of this is really solved, but if you're doing any sort of non-technical work or knowledge work with these agents or with even coding agents, would love to hear more about how you run reviews, how you review the outputs.